Dear students, welcome in maths lesson exercise number 8.4, and now our question is fifth. Fifth question, part number first. Prove this identity. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. We have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. If we take left hand side LHS, we have to prove this expression. I am taking left hand side. Left hand side is cosec theta minus cot theta, and this is whole square. You know the formula of cosec theta. Cosec theta equals to 1 upon sine theta. Cosec theta breaks into 1 upon sine theta, and cot theta breaks into cos theta upon sine theta. Put these values in this statement. Cosec theta 1 upon sine theta and cot theta gives cos theta upon sine theta, and whole square is continuing. Now this is fractional value, this is also fractional value. We have to take LCM. LCM is sine theta. When denominator are same, we will get 1 minus cos theta in numerator, and whole square is continue. Now this whole square come into inside on numerator and denominator separately. ये whole square न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर पर अलग अलग अप्लाई हो जाएगा. ये हमारा नया एक्सप्रेशन आएगा 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा एंड होल स्क्वायर अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, नॉट साइन थीटा स्क्वायर, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is, because our numerator is 1 minus cos theta. We have obtained 1 minus cos theta in numerator. Now look for 1 plus cos theta. This formula gives, according to formula number 1, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And this is sine square theta. Sine square theta gives 1 minus cos square theta. So we have to put sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Now take this statement, 1 minus cos theta whole square as it is in numerator, and denominator is like the form of a square minus b square. This is the form of a square minus b square. We will get a plus b and a minus b. Now 1 plus cos theta in one bracket, and other bracket 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta cancel in numerator, 1 power cancel, एक पावर कैंसिल हो जाएगी, तो बचेगा 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा. दिस इज आर RHS. This is our RHS. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay, this is our fifth question, part number 1. Come to Part number second. Cos theta, cos A upon 1 plus sin A. Second part, cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equals to 2 sec A. Important question. This is our left hand side. Left hand side equals to cos A upon 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A upon cos A. We have to prove equals to 2 sec A. This is fractional value. This is fractional value. There is no term of cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. So, take the LCM. 1 plus sin A in one bracket, in other bracket cos A. Denominators assumed as LCM. 1 plus sin A cancel 1 plus sin A. ये बच जाएगा, ये जाएगा न्यूमरेटर में मल्टीप्लाई होने के लिए, तो कोस स्क्वायर है, कोस ए इंटू कोस ए, एंड कोस ए कैंसल्स कोस ए, सो 1 प्लस साइन ए रिमेंड, ये बचेगा, दिस विल गो इन न्यूमरेटर साइड, 1 प्लस साइन ए होल स्क्वायर, 1 प्लस साइन ए in one bracket and cos A in one bracket. आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलना है. cos स्क्वायर ए को कॉपी कर दीजिए और ये है फिर फॉर्मूला a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर. a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर गिव्स a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. 1 works as a and sin a works as b. We will get 1 square 1 plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into sin a, 2 sin a, plus b square, sin square a. We will get 1 plus, both terms gives 1, cos square a plus sin square a, this is formula number 1, plus 2 sin a. Upon 1 plus sin A in one bracket and cos A. We will get this term as 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A and cos A. In other bracket, we will get 2 as common. So 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A in bracket, other bracket cos A, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel each other. We will get 2 upon cos A. 2 upon cos A, 2 upon cos A gives 2 sec A. So 1 upon cos A gives sec A. So 2 sec A. This is our RHS. Revise these two questions.